what you eat? Let's find out in today's lab.
To further illustrate the law of conservation of matter, we don't just need our sweet, we need our salt. So remove the popcorn from the bag and then weigh it on a kitchen scale, 2.8 ounces, and then pop it and weigh it again. Alright, here we go.
Okay, we got it.
And when you weigh it, it's
2.9.
It's
Oh my
more. It's more? Oh, because all the air is trapped up inside of it and it's bouncing all around.
The atoms are making it. Oh my gosh, I thought it was going to be more with the seeds because they're not popped.
That's so cool.
Amazed. So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.